Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix lag and slow performance on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and close any background apps. So here I got some of them. We're gonna press on the trash icon, and now we got already the best state. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna clear the cache for an app that has just a lot of it, so we can go over into the apps. Here we have app management. Now we have the app list, and here we want to find an app with the highest size, and of course we want to make sure that if we have some cache like 37 megabytes, we clean it, and we do that for every single app that we have used. So I did not use Instagram, but we can do that for every single app, and we can get rid of the cache. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and scroll a bit down until we see system. Now here in the system, what are we gonna do is we're gonna simply reset our phone. So this is very important because we need to reset that in order to just refresh our entire system, because the system will re-download and etc. Everything will work smoothly. So we want to click on reset phone, erase all data, and before we do that, we want to go over and click on backup to either Google Drive, and we can back everything up. We can click backup now, enter our password, and now it is backing this stuff up. Now, as a last resort to fix any lags and performance issues, we're gonna go and click on our phone, go to RAM, and here set the virtual RAM to 12 gigabytes. Also, you can check for updates and click check for update here. Want to make sure that you're on the latest software version. And to expand your RAM, you need to go here, click modify and restart, and then you'll have 24 gigabytes. Now after the restart, as you guys can see, whenever I go into the settings right here, go to my Infinix, here we see that it's 12 plus 12 now, so it works. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.